I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials. Now start Jupyter. First, activate your virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab from the project folder to open the server in your browser. This launches a local URL, typically http://localhost 8888, so make sure the port is free. You do this to keep reproducibility and avoid system-level conflicts. It also makes package management predictable across projects. You'll now build and execute code incrementally. Start by creating a Python 3 notebook and name it. Type a small snippet in the first code cell, imports, variable definitions, and press Shift+Enter to run. Results and errors appear inline. Make sure to run cells in logical order to avoid undefined variables. Use markdown cells to document intent and explain results, because notebooks are for both exploration and communication. If state gets messy, restart the kernel and rerun from the first cell to reproduce outcomes. You're finishing up, save and export before closing. Save checkpoints and download formats like IPNB or HTML for sharing with others. If something breaks, first restart the kernel to clear state, then run cells in order. This often isolates dependency or order issues. Make sure packages are installed in the active environment. Use piplist or condalist to confirm. If an error persists, read the traceback from the cell, fix the line causing it, and rerun only the affected cells to save time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.